There you go.
Guys, WHN here. Okay. So today we're at the, fucking ramp we made. It's pretty bad, but I mean it works. He's done some pretty good jumps on his bike. I tried it on mine. It's kind of hard on mine. Like it puts so much shock to your hands, and it really sucks compared to his bike. His bike is really nice. I've got a Walmart bike, but like he's got a I don't know what they're called. I know it's a Mongoose, but it's like a special edition Mongoose. I'm not like 100% sure on what it's called. Kai, what's that called? What's the like special edition of that? It's like a Mongoose.
Oh, it's what was it called? Signature frame.
It's a signature frame. That's what it was.
So it's nice as fuck.
Yeah. So it's a Mongoose signature frame. Okay.
You can't do what you do.
Ooh. Show him your hop. Yeah. He's working on his hop right now. That's alright. We've all been there. Nice. Alright, that sounded fucking gay. Best Vloggers 2018, right? Subscribe, man.
You see?
Alright, dude.
Alright.
This is my hop.
Alright, this is your hop, brother man. Oh, there's a person. Hold on. Alright, the person left. We can do his hop now.
I'm just gonna do a normal.
Just do a nice little hop. Okay. That was fire. Alright, so now he's gonna jump over my bike from our ramp. Just jump it. This doesn't look very safe. Alright, you got this, brother. WHN, right?
Oh shit, I don't know if I'm going fast enough. Fuck.
Okay. That was good.
I hurt my ankle.
That was fire.
I almost said I hurt my wrist, but it's my fucking ankle.
Same thing, honestly, just in a different position.
Facts.
Bruh.
There's my fucking X up.
X up, yeah. Oh,
Other side.
that's
Oh, I have to wait.
you're almost in the cactus, brother man. Oh, same thing.
You're right.
Yeah, what should I try now?
Whatever the viewers want, but we don't have any fucking viewers.
Yeah, so I don't know. See, nothing right there, nothing. Let me try it on your bike. Oh, try to jump it now. Remember when you went over it? Obviously not over the bike, but you bunny hopped onto it.
Yeah.
Do that. All right. Well, now he's gonna hop it. He's gonna hop that from this side.
For the viewers that we don't have.
Oh my God! He almost died. All right. Well, there's a person, or there was a person. He almost died. I mean, he barely clipped it though. It just sounded worse than it was. But he did almost die. You gotta. Let me try to do my trick on your bike. Because your bike's a lot better than mine is. It's like $600 bike to like 90. Or like 60. I can't do it very well.
My hands are shaky. Okay, I didn't get that, by the way. I mean, I like was zoomed in a little bit and then you got close, so I like unzoomed. My hands were shaky, so I don't really know if I got that very well. Bro, I never paused it. Go. Okay. Don't shit on my tire. I do not accept that.
My fucking kneecap.
Yeah, bro.
Ow.
Don't you love when that shit happens?
That fucking hurt. Okay, well, he took his bike back. I'm gonna run away. Ow. I probably look so fucking dumb. I was just sitting on your tire. I didn't even realize.
I'm trying to fake you on it.
You're gonna try to fake you on it?
Yeah, 'cause it's a little
Oh, okay.
Okay, lost balance.
Oh my god, you took the wood with you. Alright guys, well, that's going to be our vlog. It's the first one we've actually, like, done on this channel. And it was just about, like, you know, our tricks, doing some random shit, and hopping on that. I didn't hop on it because, you know, my bike fucks up, and it hurts. And he almost died. But, yeah, that was our first video, like our real one. WHN, signing out.